In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Hotmail or Outlook.com account. Whether you're simplifying your digital life, no longer using the service, or just need a fresh start, closing your account is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, you'll need to go to the Microsoft account closure page. The URL for this is accountmicrosoft.com. You can simply type this into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, you'll be asked to sign in with the Hotmail or Outlook.com account that you intend to close. It's crucial to make sure you've signed into the right account because the actions we'll be taking are irreversible. After signing in, navigate to the section labeled Your Info. This is located at the top of the page, but if you can't find it, don't worry. You can use the search option on the page by typing Close Account. This search function will guide you straight to the correct option, saving you from any unnecessary frustration of looking around. Once you've successfully accessed the relevant section, you'll want to scroll down until you see the option to Close Your Account. Click on it to proceed. Now, Microsoft has implemented a thoughtful approach by providing a checklist of warnings. This is a critical step because it ensures that you understand what closing your account means and how it could affect other services or subscriptions linked to your Microsoft account. Read through each point carefully to prevent any unintended consequences. Once you're comfortable with the checklist, click Next. This will lead you to a page where you need to tick all the confirmation boxes. It's imperative to read each checkbox message. They emphasize important considerations like losing access to services and data associated with your account, such as emails, files on OneDrive, and any stored Xbox Live achievements. By ticking the boxes, you acknowledge these terms, so it's important to understand them fully. You're almost there. Next, you'll be asked to choose a reason for closing your account. This is a simple drop-down menu where you select the most relevant reason from the options available. Providing this feedback can help Microsoft improve its services. Finally, the last step is to click on Mark Account for Closure. By doing this, your account is scheduled for permanent closure. However, Microsoft gives you a grace period before the account is permanently deleted, typically 60 days. During this time, you have the option to reactivate your account simply by signing back in, should you change your mind. And there you have it. Your Hotmail or Outlook.com account is marked for closure. Take a moment to ensure that any important information has been saved elsewhere if needed. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance.